Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Asad Ali, and in this video series we will be talking about CIE mathematics transformations. So transformation is the word which means a change. Any change in an object from the original form is termed as transformation. Transformation may be called as a process of mapping the points of an image onto something in order to form another image. Eventually, if an object is transformed, then the way it appears is changed. Basically, there are 6 main types of transformations, but we will discuss only 4 here. The first is translation. Translation is when an object is translated or moved along x and y axis to some direction. So here in the picture shown, you can see that an object, a triangle, is transforming, and the transformation is translation. The second type of transformation is rotation. In rotation, an object is rotated and towards certain degrees, and the shape and size remain same. In translation, the shape and size remain same as well. The third is reflection. The reflection is when you flip an object to any line, any mirror line. And the fourth is enlargement. Enlargement is when you change the size of a shape, keeping other things same, means the shape will remain same but the size will change. So we also say that it is a similar shape. So remember, translation is basically nothing but sliding an object, rotation is nothing but turning an object, reflection is flipping an object, and enlargement is resizing an object. So another thing to remember is that in translation the figure remain congruent, in rotation the figure remain congruent as well, and in reflection the figure remain congruent as well. So what does the word congruent mean? Congruent means it will have the same shape and same size. But the word similar means the shape will same but the size will be changed. It may be larger or smaller, just like in this example. So we see transformation in real life. So there are some real life examples. You can see that the windmill is rotating. So this is a form of rotation. And you can see the clouds, they are moving, that is translation. And the balloon, when you blow it, it will change its size but the shape will remain same. So this is enlargement. And you can see the flag, when it flips, it is called reflection. So this was it for this time. Thank you very much.